Hello again, it's Rusty with Masters Lawn Care with another quick tip on Gainesville lawns. Today we're talking about how proper landscape maintenance around an office building or a home can protect from general household pests, meaning ants, roaches, spiders, all those pests that you do not want inside of your home or office. Let's take a look. Concern for landscapes and how to maintain them getting in pests is keeping the plants off the building. You can see this ligustrum is all up on the building, and what that's doing is giving access for ants and roaches to hop right up there into the eaves of the gutters and also the eaves of the window and go right into the building. This is an oak tree above us. Its limbs just need to be cut back off the roof and the gutters. When the wind blows, this is obviously rubbing on the shingles and scratching up the roof. Ants, roaches, spiders can get right into the office building and cause household and office pest issues. Palm trees such as this being on corners of the buildings. Palm trees are known for housing ants and roaches. So again, another access point to create pest problems. We appreciate you subscribing to our channel and watching this video. If there's anything we can do to help you in your lawn or landscape to improve your curb appeal or to reduce the pest pressure in your home, give us a call at 378-5296. Thanks again. Have a blessed day.